Spore Pioneers holders. Spore Pioneers price is come to again zero, my brother. And exactly what's the main reason, and what's the latest update, and what's the price prediction, and what's the technical analysis, everything we do in this video. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request: to kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, first of all, whether I think Spore Pioneers is a garbage coin. Now all holders tell us this is the garbage coin. You can see the last 1 hour and all chain occur will be negative, so it's mean to they are completely in the lost, my brother. So the main reason is that, my friends, today falls down to this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency falls down in the start of month. But absolutely, my friends, you can see here they just in only not, my friends, you can see here, and the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days they also falls down. So this is very bad now. So let's see, my brother, what's going on this time. And the last one, however, you can see, my brother, the update minus 0.73% fares down. The last 1 day, if we check out, my friend, absolutely going to be very badly down. So you can see here, and if we check out, my friend, the last 7 day chart, then we understand whether this to upcoming time there is a chance to them effort or not. Can they will make you millionaire in upcoming time or not, my brother? So let's see. This time, as you can see, my brother, this time the change occur minus 19.98% fails down. It's a very bad news. If you can see the chart, absolutely this chart is completely going to show you to upcoming time there is a chance to or not, my brother. So they're moving upward. So as you can see, my brother, this time this chart is completely after a fails, they take a jump, after a fails, they take a jump, after a fails, they take a jump. You can see they're moving in this circulation. So it's mean to upcoming time there is more chances to they take a very good jump, because after a fails every cryptocurrencies take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. Therefore I will tell you, my brothers, to I hope in upcoming time there is more chances to they will take a very huge jump. You need to hold, and wait for a good time. I hope they will make you a millionaire, they will make you completely millionaire, my brother. So you need just only to hold now. So thanks for watching. Spore Pioneers holder, my prediction tell us to upcoming time they're moving upward. So if you, the price is very cheap, the price is zero, my brother. So buy it, hold it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching Spore Pioneers holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.